Yeah, going in the day, my bias was bullish because, as you know, yesterday I think I explained it in the last recap. Came out of this 4 hour, and it looks like we're about to close out of it in another hour. Probably gonna come back to these 30,000 highs, um, because there's really nothing else to look at. I mean, there's this 4 hour gap, but clearly there's potential here to run through it. Since we already ran through it, but yeah, I could see us regaining this probably next week, and yeah, so going into the day, I was pretty bullish. Now going into today, let's see, we had some kind of news today too. It was like NFP or something like that, unemployment claims and all that. So where's 8:30? Data highs, data lows right here. And I saw this, woke up at 8:38 and saw that we took the data high first. Usually, if you look at the data high video that I posted, whichever one we take first, you want to target the opposite, which, I mean, yeah, we took this first. If you're up at this time before market open, I don't know what you could have entered off of, but as you can see, we took data high right here, and we came and we hit this data low. Honestly, wouldn't have taken a setup there because I just like to wait till 10 a.m. or 9:30 at least. But yeah, that was the data high, data low setup. If you guys saw anything there. Now getting into 10 a.m. I'll delete this line right now. 10 a.m. Up close candle, mark the open, bottom of the candle. Do my line. This was pure. I hit this trade and then it got stopped break even. I don't know why I went break even so early, but it's just been so iffy. It hasn't hit a single time this week. So I was like, okay, I'm going to go break even once I get a little selling power out of 10 a.m. So, use the line. I saw us make 10 a.m. manipulate below. We get this low, down close, up close candle, mark the down close. Here's your strong close below right here. Because we break this low, we're out of the line. And then what do? We retrace and retest 10 a.m. And here's where I got entered. 10-point stop. Probably the best trade on the whole day. Even compared to the trade I took today, but could have targeted this 1 minute low for 62 points, or what is this? What am I looking at? Or obviously, as you guys know, 10 a.m. runs 100 plus points every time. Could have just targeted 100 points, or the beginning of this 4 hour gap, or just 100 points. But this was definitely a safer bet. 62 points, this 1 minute low. Maybe targeting 100 and trailing and whatever. But that was a solid setup. So I saw that. Got break even on this wick right here. I'll delete this. Got break even on this wick right here, because right about here, can't do the measuring. I was up 31 points and I was like, okay, I'm gonna go break even since this shit like hasn't been playing out and whatever, and hit this like CISD right here, sweeping this. I was like, okay, I'm gonna go break even. Got stopped out break even right here and it absolutely ran. So it's whatever. I was like, okay, keep it level headed, whatever. Break even on the day. See this 1 minute gap start pushing up above 10 a.m. I'm like, okay, my overall bias is long since we came out of that 4 hour gap, like I said in the beginning. Yep. And I wait for the retrace. Try to take this long. And I get stopped out. I did 10 points. Was in a little bit of profit. Was in like 40 points, $800 of profit. Then I got stopped out. Was targeting this high. Wasn't a bad setup, but we just decided to chop around this area. And then I combined this 1 minute gap, 10 a.m., and this 5 minute gap. I think the other day there was a rejection block set up in a 5 minute gap too, but these setups have been really clean. So I saw this 5 minute gap. I just marked out 1 minute rejection block. I think I already have it marked out, but I'll mark it out again. Right here, you have a 1 minute rejection block because it's in this 5 minute gap. And what do I see? Limit to 10 a.m. Close enough to the C where I'd risk it. I mean, you could do 15 points just to be below the rejection and a little bit below the 5 minute CISD, but I did 10 points right here. And I targeted 60 points, which was just a 1 minute high. It was like it was this high roughly. So I took a loss and I got this win, ending me at $900, roughly $930 across 3 accounts. So around $3K, $2,700. My initial TP was here, 100 points. Obviously that ran and actually ran even more, almost 200 points, but this is my initial TP. Unfortunately, I didn't have a runner or anything to that TP, but yeah, I don't know, it's whatever. Glad I got a little dub on the day to end the week, because like I said, it really wasn't that pure or good of a week if you were trading 10 a.m. or anything, but rejection blocks have been hitting, I would say, pretty good. Just like today, yesterday it hit. But yeah, I think the overall weekly P&L, I got break even Monday, and I had 2 losses Tuesday, Wednesday, and then yesterday I had a win, and then today I had a win. So I think we're up a good amount this week, maybe 4K, which is pretty good. But yeah, that's pretty much all. I don't think we tapped. Yeah, you couldn't have taken this. It like hit 10 a.m. again, but it's like I would never take 10 a.m. past like 11:30. I would say it's pretty invalid, but yeah, that's pretty much it on the day. I would say solid PA until after 3. But yeah, that's it, boys.